Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the water boost video effect in CapCut. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm just going to add this photo and just going to effect and select video effect. So you can find the water reboost effect and distortion years, but it is perfect. You have to join purpose to be able to use this effect. Simply download it and just add to the track, and then changing for the option right here for the trees, filter, size, speed, and then particle and see for the final is right. It's water report. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please let me in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.